Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we will discuss about eightfold way and baryon octet. So let's start. What is eightfold way? The eightfold way is classification of hadronic particles in geometric pattern based upon same spin but different charge and different strangeness. एटफोल्ड वे hadronic particles की एक क्लासिफिकेशन है जिसमें उनको ज्योमेट्रिक पैटर्न में अरेंज किया गया है बेस्ड अपॉन देयर सेम स्पिन बट हैविंग डिफरेंट चार्ज एंड डिफरेंट स्ट्रेंजनेस. नाउ व्हाट इज बैरन ऑक्टेट? द 8 baryons fit into a hexagonal array with 2 particles at the center. 8 baryon जो थे वो हेक्सागोनल एरे के अंदर फिट किए गए थे, 2 पार्टिकल्स सेंटर में थे. दिस इज़ नोन एज बैरन ऑक्टेट. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड ऑक्टेट क्योंकि इसमें 8 पार्टिकल्स को फिट किया गया था. दिस इज़ बैरन ऑक्टेट. इसमें ये जो डायगोनल लाइंस हैं ये हमें इन पार्टिकल्स के चार्ज के बारे में बताती हैं एंड these lines tell about strangeness of particles. So using this baryon octet हम इन पार्टिकल्स की स्ट्रेननेस, चार्ज और अदर प्रॉपर्टीज़ को ईजिली याद रख सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स मेक अ सेपरेट टेबल टू राइट charge, straightness and isospin of these particles. See, in this table we can easily write charge and straightness of these particles using baryon octet. But what about its isospin? How to calculate isospin of these particles? For this, remember this formula, that is 2i plus 1 is equal to m. Here I is isospin and m is multiplicity. See, first for nucleons multiplicity is 2, so 2i plus 1 is equal to 2. That is 2i is equal to 1. So I is equal to half. So isospin of nucleons will be half. Now to find third component of isospin, remember that it will be from minus I to plus I. So for nucleons it will be from minus half to plus half, that is minus half and plus half. For proton it will be half and for neutron it will be minus half. Similarly for sigma particles are triplet, so its multiplicity will be 3. So 2i plus 1 is equal to 3, that is 2i is equal to 2, so I will be 1. So for sigma particles isospin will be 1. Now third component of isospin will be from minus 1 to plus 1, that is minus 1, 0 and plus 1. So for sigma positive it will be plus 1, sigma 0 is equal to 0, and for sigma negative it will be minus 1. Similarly you can calculate for xi particles and lambda particles. Lambda particle is singlet, so its multiplicity will be 1, and xi particles are doublet, so its multiplicity will be 2. Thanks for watching guys, and please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.